जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 16th श्लोक. कृष्ण परमात्मा थ्रू Arjuna addressing to each and every one of us. Whenever I say Arjuna, we have to think that Krishna Paramatma addressing to us directly. Now Krishna is saying that, "Oh Arjuna, you are known as Atma. There will be no change in you, but you are in this body, you are in your body. In this body, there will be always constant changes will happen. At some point, after happening so many changes in your body, at some point, your body gets completely destroyed. Arjuna, you can never stop this, and you cannot do anything to yourself. That is Atma. So Atma is permanent. Deham, that means body, is non-permanent. This is the original nature of the body and the original nature of Atma. Arjuna, don't think that I am making it up and giving you this new concept. No. This has been realized by all of our great Parasara and other Maharshis, and they established this truth. That is what I am revealing to you. This is what Krishna Paramatma saying to each and every one of us, having this meaning running in our thoughts. Let us now repeat the sloka. Nasato vidyate bhavo na bhavo vidyate satah ubhayorapi drishtontastu anayoho tattvadarshibhihi. Om. From this sloka, what we have to always remember is, we came into this body, and body is getting through so many changes, and at some point this may get completely destroyed. So the very purpose of us coming into this body should be served before this body gets destroyed. For that we have to make every effort at every moment. That is what we should remember from this sloka. As an essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me to get your very purpose of getting into this body served. Manmana bhava. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Madbhakto bhava. Become my devotee. Dedicate all your actions to me. Madhyaji. Keep doing namaskaram to me. That means keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Mam namaskuru. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading this divine message among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins, and I shall help you make sure that the very purpose of your getting into this body is served. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall always think about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall dedicate all my actions to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you, and I shall always think that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely read one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall spread Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुकमहर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi is saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, Sri Krishna Bhagavan has a very peculiar, very miraculous power. He came down, Paramatma came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma, and he made sure that all the bad kings were removed. He did not kill them. He ignited fight between those kings and made sure bad kings are killed. That is how he achieved his job. He made sure the very purpose of his avataram is attained. Nirayudhaha, he did not carry any weapon in the battlefield, but he successfully attained his job, and he started feeling very happy and very relaxed. Uparataha, Paramatma came down as Sri Krishna. Sayesha Naraloke, to be on this earth and to get mingled with all the people just like a normal human being. Reme Striratna Kutastho, he came down as Krishna to be with, to live with so many girls on this earth. That is how he is also leading his life, Krishna. But Maharshis, all the girls who were living with Krishna Paramatma are very, very beautiful girls. Their beauty, their smile, their vision, their looks, everything is extremely beautiful. Even Manmadha also feels that his arrows, his bow is nothing in front of their beauty. To that extent, they have such a beautiful, all kind of postures and everything. It is said, their beauty, their postures, their looks, their smile may even captivate Paramasiva, influence Paramasiva, but their beauty or their postures, their looks, their smile could not captivate Sri Krishna Paramatma, could not shake Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is how Krishna Paramatma is Jitendriyaha. And also Tamayam Manyate Loke, having so much of self-control, being such a very strong Krishna Paramatma, still able to live with those girls and still living with all the people very normally. Krishna Paramatma living in this earth, on this earth, within this all kind of natural mundane pleasures and comforts, but he is not attached to anything. Asangamapi sanginam, those staying, living within the comforts, within the mundane pleasures, but not attached to any of those things. But people on this earth thinks that Krishna is always with girls, Krishna is influenced, captivated by the girls, Krishna is more into girls. That is how people thinks. Why? Because they have that kind of nature, they paste the same nature what they have upon Krishna and thinks in the same angle. O Maharshis, Paramatma prakrutisthopi tadgunaihi na yujyate. This nature has so many different qualities, but none of them could leave any impact on Paramatma. Tatashraya, not only Paramatma, not only Sri Krishna Bhagavan, but whoever approaches Krishna Paramatma, whoever surrenders to Krishna Paramatma, they are not affected by this nature, this mundane pleasures. O Maharshis, all those girls who are around Krishna Paramatma thinks that Krishna is a normal human being. They do not perceive the supremacy of Paramatma. That is how the girls are living and Krishna Paramatma is living on this earth. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 16th sloka. Nasato vidyate bhavo nabhavo vidyate sataha vubhayorapi drishtontastu anayoho tattvadarshibhihi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.